Hello students. This is class 1 chemistry class and we are doing chapter thermodynamics. So first of all, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics, it is the study of energies, different forms of energies. It is that branch of science which deals with the study of different forms of energy and their interconversion. Interconversion means when one form of energy is changed to another form of energy. So it is the basically study of different forms of energy and interconversion of those energies is known as a thermodynamics. Now in thermodynamics main two terms are there which are used. First one is system and second one is surrounding. System means specified part of the universe is known as a system, which is under observation is known as a system. Like this in a cylinder, this part is the system and this is surrounding, and this side is also surrounding and there is a surrounding. So this part is only the system which is under observation is known as a system. Specified part of the universe which is under observation is known as a system. And it may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous means when their physical and chemical compositions remain same throughout the system is known as a homogeneous system. And when these physical and chemical compositions are not same throughout the system is known as a heterogeneous system. So mainly it is of two types on the basis of their physical and chemical composition, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Next is the surrounding. Surrounding means remaining part of the universe which is not involved in the system. Remaining part which is not a part of the system is known as a surrounding. Means excluding this part, this whole part is a surrounding. So remaining part of the universe which is not a part of the system is known as a surrounding. So system plus surrounding that combined makes the universe. Okay? Specified part of the universe is the system and the remaining part of the universe which is not a part of the system, not involved in the system is known as a surrounding. So system and surrounding that makes the universe. Now types of system. Types of system mainly there are three types: open, closed and isolated. Open system means when there is exchange of matter as well as energy with the surrounding, inside and outside. Like this is the system. This system when exchange the energy and the matter with the surrounding is known as a open system. Exchange of matter and energy takes place is known as a open system. Like tea or coffee in an open flask. Open flask. When flask is open, there is exchange of matter as well as energy. Now next is the closed system. Closed system means second one is the closed. There is exchange of energy but not the matter. The energy is exchanged but not the matter. Like tea or coffee in a stainless steel flask. In the stainless steel flask, there is exchange of energy. Energy is changed with the surrounding but not the matter is known as a closed system. After this, then third one is the isolated. Isolated means there is no exchange of energy and matter inside and outside the system. When the system exchange both energy and matter, that is open system. When it exchanges only energy but not the matter is known as a closed system. And when neither exchange of energy nor matter is known as a isolated. Isolated means which is insulated. Like if we can say thermically insulated system can be considered as a isolated. Thermically insulated means no exchange of heat inside and outside the system is known as a isolated. After this there is a thermodynamic equilibrium. Thermodynamic equilibrium means that macroscopic properties. What are these macroscopic properties? Is temperature and pressure do not changes with time. When these two properties, temperature and pressures, do not changes with time is known as a thermodynamic equilibrium. When they are in a equilibrium. State of thermodynamic system can be changed by the process. State of thermodynamic system that can be changed by the process. Now what is this process? That process gives the path or the orientation by which the state of system can be changed. Or state of system can be changed, or it can be changed from the one state to another state, that is known as a process. Process means which gives the path by which system changes from one state to another state is known as a state of thermodynamics. And there are a few processes. First one is isothermal process. Isothermal process means this iso means same and thermal indicates temperature. When temperature remains constant, that process known as a isothermal process. Next is the isobaric process. Isobaric process means isobar means pressure. Iso means same when pressure remains constant. Adiabatic process means no exchange of heat. That process. Isochoric process means that volume remains constant. Next are the reversible process. Reversible process means the directions may be reversed any time. That reversed from one state to another state, that is reversible. Next are the cyclic process. Cyclic process means the system that undergoes various changes and ultimately returns to the original state, that is cyclic, which starts from the one point after the few changes or changes from one state to another state, but ultimately at the end that reaches to the original state is known as a cyclic process. And rest we will do in the next video. Thank you.